Now we are going to discuss the different forms of energy possessed by fluid. Okay, so energy possessed by fluid. Energy possessed by a fluid. Because as I told you, forces or energy we are going to consider here in the fluid dynamics. So forces we have already considered. All the 5 forces were there: viscous force, gravity force, pressure force, surface tension force, and other forces were also there. So what are the energy by the fluid? There are 3 types of energies. One is called pressure energy. Pressure energy, or it is called pressure head. It is called pressure head also. Okay, that is denoted by P by gamma. That derivation also in fluid static we have derived already. So what is pressure energy? That is energy possessed by fluid, by a fluid per unit weight. Remember that you have to mention. This is a very important point. Per unit weight, energy possessed by a fluid per unit weight. Okay, energy possessed by a fluid per unit weight due to static pressure. This is called pressure head. Okay, pressure head. Now by unit we can find it out. This is P. Pressure is Newton per meter square, and this is weight density. So it is Newton per meter cube. So it is Newton per meter square into meter cube. See here. So here we are getting meter. So what I have written, head means meter. Okay, height. It is height. It is nothing but height. That is why when the pressure is expressed in meter of a particular fluid, that we have already discussed in the last sessions. So when the fluid is described in particular meter of this much meter of that fluid, then that height of that fluid is also called head also. Another way also, energy possessed by a fluid per unit weight. See, per unit weight. Energy, how it is energy? Meter multiplied by Newton divided by Newton. So it is Newton meter is nothing but joule per unit weight. See, energy possessed by a fluid per unit weight. This is weight actually. So per unit weight, energy is there joule. So either we call it as joule per Newton or meter, simply meter also. So that type of energy is called pressure energy. So pressure energy is nothing but energy possessed by a fluid per unit weight due to static pressure. Okay. Number 2, kinetic head. Kinetic energy or kinetic head. Okay. Kinetic head. It is given by H is equal to V square by 2G. Okay. Now see, V square by 2G, how it is? V is meter per second. So meter square per second square. G is meter per second square. So this will be meter also. Okay. See, kinetic energy or head. We can call it as also here like this. Newton into meter by Newton. So Newton meter is joule per Newton. So that is kinetic head is nothing but energy possessed by fluid per unit weight. Here also per unit weight only due to its velocity. Remember, due to its velocity, that energy is called kinetic energy or kinetic head. I have already proved here H is equal to V square by 2G. That may be joule per Newton, or we can call it as meter also. This meter also. So kinetic head or energy both are same, and it is equal to, therefore H is equal to V square by 2G. So energy possessed by fluid per unit weight due to its velocity, due to static pressure, pressure energy, due to its velocity, kinetic energy or kinetic head. Number 3 is potential, or it is also called datum energy or datum head. So this H is simply equal to Z, okay, meter. Z means elevations. So it is energy possessed by a fluid per unit weight. Remember, here also everywhere you have to put it per unit weight. Here also I have put it per unit weight. Okay. So energy possessed by a fluid per unit weight due to elevation. That energy is called potential energy. It is denoted by Z. So Z H, that is head, will be equal to Z. It can be expressed in meter, and as I have told you, that is Newton meter per Newton. So Newton meter is joule per Newton per unit weight. Okay. So this is energy, or it is nothing but head. So total energy of a fluid will be equal to P by gamma plus V square by 2G plus Z. Okay. This all unit will be meter only. That we are going to derive this one also. This is called Bernoulli equation. In the next question, I am going to derive that equation. So that is sum of all the energy. So let us sum up what we have studied in this session. Energy possessed by fluid, there are 3 types of energy: pressure energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy. Energy is also called head because it can be expressed in meter, because H is equal to P by gamma. So putting the value unit, we are getting meter only. So meter is height or head. That is why this energy can be called as a head. How this is energy? Because if you multiply by Newton and divide by Newton, Newton meter is joule per unit weight. So energy possessed by fluid per unit weight due to static pressure, that is called pressure energy or pressure head. Kinetic energy or kinetic head, that is V square by 2G. So by putting the units, we are getting here also meter. So meter multiplied by Newton divide by Newton will be Newton meter joule per unit weight. So kinetic energy is energy possessed by fluid per unit weight due to its velocity. So H is equal to, here head is kinetic head, it is V square by 2G. Another type of energy is potential energy or datum energy or head also, potential head also. So H is simply Z due to elevations like this. So this is Z, and that is defined as energy possessed by a fluid per unit weight due to its elevation, that is difference in height. That is called potential energy. And head, as the name itself is, H unit is Z, meter. If we multiply by Newton and divide by Newton, it will also give us joule energy per unit weight also. So per unit weight is everywhere. That's why we are using joule per unit weight. Total energy of a fluid is P by gamma plus V square by 2G plus Z. In next class, I am going to derive this equation, that is called Bernoulli equation. Thank you.